Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best compression testers in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best compression testers that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the OTC 5605 Deluxe Compression Tester Kit. The OTC 5605 Deluxe Compression Tester Kit comes with standard and specialty adapters and contains everything you need to test gasoline engines. It includes an 8-inch deep well 14mm connector and a 5-inch flex Ford Triton 16mm adapter. The adapters are compatible with flat and tapered seat plugs. The metal components are made with a corrosion-resistant, nickel-plated finish. The kit includes an extra-long, 25-inch flex hose gauge assembly with a quick coupler, so you can more easily see cluttered engine components. The dual-scale 2.5-inch gauge shows readings from 0 to 300 psi and 0 to 2,100 kilopascals. It has a chrome bezel and a durable protective outer boot. All items are contained in a tough, blow-molded hard case. Users report that this kit is worth the extra money. It's accurate, well-made, and the deep well attachment comes in handy. However, it may be tough to thread the fitting with the hose attached when you use it in tight spaces. Also, it's possible to leave the adapters inside the spark plug holes, and it can be difficult to get them out. Moving on at number 4. We have the Mityvac Professional Compression Tester Kit. Even though this professional compression tester kit sits on the higher end of the price range, it is great because it can test automotive, marine, industrial, and small engines, like those found in lawnmowers. The Air Hold Quick Connector allows you to connect the air supply to the valve stem seal without removing the cylinder head. One thing you'll love about the Mityvac Professional Compression Tester Kit is it comes in a molded carrying case for easy storage. You will enjoy having it in your garage because it will help you quickly figure out different motor issues. It gives very accurate readings and is easy to use. You can easily see the compression readings thanks to the gauge with a color scale. However, this tester has one major downside. If a spark plug hole is recessed, you have to apply torque on the hose in order to fix the adapter in the plug hole. At number 3, we have the Orion MotorTech Engine Compression Tester. The Orion MotorTech Engine Compression Tester is a complete 8-piece set that allows you to test gas engines on cars, trucks, motorcycles, ATVs, snowmobiles, boats, and more. The kit comes with straight, curved, and male adapters, so it's compatible with numerous vehicles. It includes a spring buckle gauge, a straight rubber cone end adapter, a curved rubber cone end adapter, 4 brass adapters, and a 14-inch extension hose. The instrument panel is easy to read and includes dual units, 0 to 300 psi and 0 to 20 kilograms per square centimeter. The gauge cover has an anti-scratch coating and rubber protection to absorb shocks. All the items are contained in an ABS case. The fittings can accommodate most or all of your needs for most engines, and it's a great kit overall for the price. Plus, the manufacturer will issue a replacement or refund if you're not satisfied with its performance. Unfortunately, there have been some complaints that the tester is not as accurate as some rival brands. If you want more precise readings, you may want to choose a more premium model. At number 2, we have the Innova Compression Tester. This is the top compression tester in our buying guide because of one standout feature. It is compatible with traditional, electronic, and computerized vehicles. It identifies blown head gaskets, burnt valves, worn rings, and damaged pistons. You can easily check the readings on the 2.5-inch dial face with color-coded and dual-calibrated scales that give a range of 0 to 2,100 kilopascals and 0 to 300 psi. The scales on this compression tester make it easy for you to get accurate readings when testing your car's engine. The quick disconnect fitting makes for easy installation, while the heavy-duty Borden tube meter gives highly accurate measurements and allows for repeated tests without disconnecting even though this compression tester comes with a high-pressure rubber hose and different adapters, the manufacturer doesn't include a carrying case, so it is not easy to transport. You also need to get other adapters if you want to perform compression testing on motorcycle and ATV engines. And finally, at number 1, we have the Betooll Compression Tester Kit. The Betooll Compression Tester Kit is compatible with gas engines and is designed to help you find hard-to-spot engine problems. It includes seal rubber rings to ensure that the reading is accurate. The solid brass adapters are corrosion-resistant, durable, and leak-free and come in 4 sizes: 18 mm, 14 mm, 12 mm, and 10 mm. The kit includes a 16-inch long hose with a push-button release valve and a 45-degree universal direct shaft and a straight universal direct shaft. The gauge provides 3 different types of readings: 0 to 300 psi, 0 to 20 bars, and 0 to 20 kilograms per square centimeter. Everything is stored in a durable, molded plastic case. Overall, this kit is of good quality and gets the job done.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.